Looking for a delicious recipe to use up all those fresh, juicy strawberries? I have just the thing that's going to please everyone in the house. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen, we create delicious, healthy recipes using real food and real supplements. Today, we're going to be making fresh strawberry muffins. Let's begin by adding 3/4 cup of coconut sugar to a large mixing bowl. Now, if you want to reduce the sugar in your bread, you're welcome to use your favorite low glycemic sugar here, such as Lakanto. That would be a great substitute because it's 1:1. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of your favorite unsweetened nut milk. And if you want to up the flavor a little bit more, use unsweetened vanilla nut milk. 1/3 cup of coconut cream. Now this is the substance that separates from the coconut water when you have a can of full-fat coconut milk. As the weather gets warmer though, it may be really hard to distinguish between the two. So you may want to stick your can into the refrigerator for about 12 hours and then you will definitely see the separation. 2 tablespoons of melted and cooled coconut oil. 1 free-range egg, local is great. You're also welcome to substitute this with a flax egg or a chia egg. 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Now be sure to use an organic lemon when you're doing this so you avoid those pesticides. Last, I have 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for flavor. Whisk together your ingredients really well and then set aside. In a separate mixing bowl, add 2 cups of your favorite gluten-free flour. I believe Bob Mills makes a 1:1 that's a really great one to use. I made my own. I have 1 cup of cassava flour, 1/2 cup of almond flour, which is simply made out of almonds and it's high in protein. And then last, 1/2 cup of oat flour, which is super easy to make. You just grind up your oats and there you go. A lot of times I just use the almond flour, but sometimes it can make your baked goods really heavy. So that's why I wanted to mix it up a little bit today. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Last, 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Whisk together your dry ingredients and then add them to your wet ingredients and stir just until combined. And now last but not least, I have 2 cups of diced up fresh strawberries. You want to take your strawberries and to them add 2 tablespoons of oat flour and toss them gently together. This is just going to help the strawberries from falling all the way to the bottom of our bread. Add your coated strawberries to your batter and gently fold them in. You can turn this batter into muffins or bake it as a bread. To save time, I'm going to make muffins. Grease your tin or bread pan with some coconut oil, pour in your batter, and then bake in a 350-degree preheated oven. Muffins take 20 to 25 minutes, and bread takes 50 to 55 minutes. Both are done when a toothpick is inserted in the middle and comes out clean. Let's give these strawberry muffins a taste. These muffins are super moist and the strawberry flavor is so good. I didn't think that you would taste the strawberries as much as you do, but the flavor really comes through. These are fantastic, wonderful way to maybe start your day with a gluten-free strawberry muffin that tastes so good. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks so much for being with me today. I hope you give these muffins a try. I hope you take amazing care of yourself this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Take care. Bye-bye.